there guys out there, it's Olushola DBC in the studio here. Welcome to this tutorial. In this my tutorial, I just want to do a breakdown of three Makossa licks that sounds like an AK-47 bullet, you know, that kind of a thing that you can use to announce your return. If it has been a while you've picked up your guitar to play Makossa music, I can assure you that these licks will not only showcase you as a guitarist, but it will really announce you as a guitarist in the music. So before we proceed to the class, I would like you to click the subscribe button and do well to subscribe to my channel, do well to comment, share, and like my post. There are other videos on the channels that talks about Makossa guitar. I think they are going to be of a great benefit to you. You can check them out after this rehearsal. So I have three licks, and the first lick goes like this on the key of D. So the first approach was a sweep picking. I have something like this. So I have two variations. So that's the D major triad. Then I incorporate some pentatonic. So then come to a major scale. Let me do some. Mi so do mi so la mi re do la so fa mi re, something like that. So I have something like that. That's the first variation. Then we have the second variation as this. The same thing. So slowly. So that's the first lick. So the second lick is a bunch of pentatonics, but with, you know, it's kind of spicy. I had to come to the last part of the fret to play it. So I have something like this. So this is it. A trill. You know those pentatonic. Something like that. Then I went to my arpeggio, my 4 arpeggio on G, G arpeggio. So just this is just the only different thing there. The others are pentatonics. So my picking, I'm using sweep picking here. Down 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 hop, down down hop, down 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 hop, down like the guitarist. So all together. Then do fa la do ti la so mi so re so so. That's the second lick. The final lick is kind of very tricky, and you know, the rhythm and you know, my speed at the same time, I have to be much more. The third lick, we have something like this. So I have then sorry, so just a power chord on my 5. Don't mi re do la so mi re. That's pentatonic. Don't mi re do la so mi re so re so. Then a major 7 arpeggio on my phone. Fa la do mi so fa mi re do ti do mi so la do mi re do la so mi re so re so. Fa la do mi so fa mi re. Fa la do mi so fa mi re do ti do mi so la do. Then so la so fa. This is like a passing note. So la so fa la do mi so fa mi re ti do mi so la do mi re do la so mi re so re so. So la so fa la do mi so fa mi re ti do mi so. That's a major 7 on my one. Ti do mi so la do mi re do la so mi re. Do mi re do la so mi re so re so la fa la do mi so fa mi re ti do. Now I'll play it very slow. If you enjoyed this lesson, I would like you to click the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. See you next time.